Hi, this is Mary from the Daily Sew. Here's a real quick video on how to make some easy peasy pattern weights to weigh down anything when you're cutting with the rotary cutter. So if you're ready, let's go.
So when you're using a mat and a rotary cutter, you need pattern weights to hold your pattern down. The reason you don't use pins, if the pins are sticking up over the edge, the blade as it goes along and cuts the fabric would find obstacles in the pin sticking over. So for little pattern pieces, I like to use these little cloth bean bags I made. But for larger pattern pieces, I like to use larger pattern weights, and these are even easier to make. I like the metal tins because they slide easily along the pattern paper. I can stick all my weights in the center and slide them out to the side, getting my pattern nice and smooth. To make these easy peasy pattern weights, you need some empty metal tins, candy tins. I do like some mints. Something heavy, BBs, pennies, fishing weights, old screws, whatever you got, something heavy. And you're gonna need some tape. It doesn't have to be washi tape. This is what I have. It can be any kind of tape. You just need to seal the edge of the tin so it doesn't open up. So get your empty tin and fill it with your weights. If you're using BBs, you don't need to fill the entire container. That's a lot of BBs. Cost adds up. You just need enough weight in there, feel it, see if you got enough. The same with pennies or whatever else you're using for your weights. Put some in, feel how heavy it is. If you want to add some more or take some out, you can do so. Then you're going to need some tape to seal the tin up. Just run the tape along the side. Once around is fine. I use twice around because this tape isn't very strong, but I've never had a problem. Now this one, because it's a decorative tin, is done. So for my Altoids tin, again, just going to take some tape and go around the edge to seal the top to the bottom. When you're done taping, you can decorate your tin if you want. I have a bunch of stickers I tend to put on them, but a lot of times I put the tape on top to hide the Altoids part and then my sticker. And then you're pretty much done. You can decorate or not decorate, that's up to you. But that is how easy these pattern weights are to make. And I will tell you, they are super helpful, super easy to just slide on that pattern. I really enjoy having mine. I hope you found this video helpful. If you have any questions, please put it in the comments below and I'll be sure to reply. Thank you so much for watching. Goodbye.